Have you ever made an ad using AI and it just felt like you were kind of guessing? Like you type in a prompt, you get something back, you kind of tweak it, maybe run it again, download it, and then start over. And every time you want to test a new hook or a new angle, you're basically rebuilding the whole thing from scratch. That's exactly what we're going to fix in this video. Because there's a reason why node-based AI tools are blowing up right now. And once you understand how they work, you're gonna look at ad creation completely differently. And by the end of this video, I'm gonna walk you through how this actually works in practice, including the newest thing that just made this whole process even easier for beginners. All right, let's get into it. What even is a node? A node is just one step in a process. That's it. Think about making an ad the normal way. You've got a product image, a script, a person or an avatar, a video, a voiceover, and a call to action. Each one of those is a step, right? So in a node-based tool, each of those steps becomes its own little block. That block is a node. So instead of everything being mashed together into one single prompt, you break it into pieces. One node might be, here's my product. Another node, here's my avatar. Another one, write me a script, and another, turn this into a video. And then you just connect them together. That's it. You're not coding, you're not doing anything crazy. You're just connecting steps. And once you see it like that, it really starts to click. Why everyone is talking about this right now? Why are e-commerce brands and marketers suddenly switching to this? Because it turns ad creation into structured testing instead of guessing. And once you understand that, you get why this keeps coming up. The node-based way. This is where it gets interesting. So instead of rebuilding the entire ad every single time, you build it once. As a system, everything lives on one canvas. You've got your product node, your avatar node, your script node, your video node, all connected together. Now, here's the part that really changes things for marketers. This isn't just about building ads faster. It completely changes how you test ads. So let's say maybe your hook isn't working. In the old way, you start over from scratch. In the new node way, you just change the script node. Everything else stays the same. That's it. Want to test 5 different hooks? Duplicate that one node, change the text, run it again. Done. You're not rebuilding, you're just swapping pieces. And that's the real shift here. You're no longer guessing what might work. You're systematically improving what already works. The easiest way to think about this is Lego. Before, you were building a full Lego set, and every time you wanted to change something, you had to tear it apart and rebuild it. Now, you've got pieces. You just swap one brick and everything else stays. That's the mindset shift that I want you to have. Let's actually build one using AdFlow Copilot from Creatify. Now, here's where it gets really interesting for beginners, because Creatify just released something called AdFlow Copilot, and it completely changes how you get started with this. So instead of placing nodes manually on the canvas and writing everything yourself, you start Copilot by prompting in this chat-based interface the ads that you wanted to create. So let's say I type something like, create a 10-second UGC style ad for a protein powder, morning routine angle, casual and real. Now watch what happens. Copilot doesn't just build something. It comes back with a full creative plan first. It tells you, here's the hook concept I'm proposing. Here's the scene structure. Here's the copy for each beat. And here's the reasoning behind this approach. You're reading through the whole plan before anything gets built. That's the important part here. Nothing gets built until you approve it. So if you don't like the hook, just say so in the chat. Try a more direct hook. Copilot then revises it, you review it, and once it looks right, you hit confirm and build. And Copilot automatically assembles the full AdFlow node pipeline on the canvas for you. All the nodes, all the connections, done. Now watch what you can do. All right, so let's go ahead and jump into this together. So once you log into Creatify, you'll see AdFlow up here in the top left. So I'm gonna go ahead and click on this, and here it's gonna ask us what we want to create. Again, you can see once you click on here, it's gonna give you some different prompts here, some different kind of templates. But what we wanna first do here is add a product. So we can click on this, and you can go ahead and choose from products that you already have in here. But if this is your first time doing it, you need to add a product, and it couldn't be easier. So we'll come up here to this link that I have here. We're going to do some protein powder today. This is Optimal Nutrition's gold standard way. So I'm just going to take that link, come back here to Creatify, and I'll paste it right here and click this little arrow. And then what it's gonna do is it's gonna go ahead and scrape all the information, all the copy, all the images into Creatify here so we don't have anything left behind. So here you see it got the product name, it it got the category, and it got a product description here. So it went ahead and pulled all this for us. I didn't have to do any of this manually. It even pulled all these assets, which you can see they're all pretty much the same. It's just a tub of protein, but that's fine for now. Now here we can go ahead and add some unique selling points. So if you have something in here that's specific to your brand that you really wanted to point out, this is a great place to do it. All right, so I went ahead and pasted in these unique selling points that I had AI come up with based on this product, and we'll go ahead and click on Create Product. So it's gonna go ahead and finalize all of that information in there. And once it's ready, we can go ahead and click on Use This Product down here. So go ahead and click on that and click on Use This Product. Now we just need to type in that prompt that we went over earlier. All right, so we'll go ahead and paste that prompt in there. Again, it's create a 10-second UGC style ad for a protein powder, morning routine angle, casual and real. That's all I'm going to prompt it with. And we'll go ahead and click on this arrow here. Okay, so we're now in the canvas here. We've got our chat that we started with right here, or our prompt that we started with right here. And we've got this output here. So here's my creative thinking before submitting. So we can go ahead and look down here. We can also make this a little bit bigger here so it's easier to view. We'll go ahead and make that as wide as it goes. We can also see how long that took, as well as how many credits that used. That way you never go over your credit limit. So we can go ahead and see its entire plan right here before we go ahead and build it. Again, it didn't even use an entire credit before we have this whole plan. So let's go ahead and click on confirm and build and let it get back to work. A quick note on models. So inside AdFlow for video generation, use Seedance 2.0. It's the newest model right now and produces the best motion quality. If you run into any generation issues or delays with Seedance, just swap to Kling 3.0 Pro as your backup. And every model shows an estimated generation time right next to a green dot, so you always know how long to expect. Okay, so it looks like it went ahead and outlined everything. So here we are over in the canvas and we can see everything it's got over here. So if we zoom in, we've got our avatar node over here. We've got what looks like, an asset over here. This pulled from our product link. It looks like we've got scene 1, and this is using Seedance 2.0. You can see the model right there. And again, I haven't generated this yet. That's why we're not seeing anything on screen. It looks like there's another scene over here. It pulled in the music from 11 Labs. And if we come over here and zoom out a bit, this is the final video over here. So let's go ahead and click generate and see what it comes up with. Okay, so it looks like it went ahead and finished generating our ads. So again, let's zoom out here. We've got everything on the table here. We've got our avatar node, asset node. We've got scene 1, scene 2, music. Let's go ahead and just jump right into the final scene here.
First thing I do every morning before coffee, before anything, is get my gold standard in. 24 grams, done.
That's pretty crazy. Why this matters for marketers. If you're running ads, what do you actually need? You need variations, different hooks, different angles, different creatives. That's how you find winners. But the bottleneck has always been time. Node-based tools remove that bottleneck. Because once your system is built, you can generate 5 versions, 10 versions, 20 versions without having to start over. And with Copilot setting up the initial pipeline for you, the barrier to getting started just got even lower. You don't need to be technical. I know some of you are still thinking this sounds like a lot. Here's the honest truth. With Copilot, you don't need to know how nodes connect. You don't need to understand pipeline structure. You just type what you want. Copilot proposes the plan and you approve it. It builds the pipeline, then you fine tune. So far, I've literally given it one very basic prompt. If you can write a 1-line description, you can do this. So if you've been seeing node-based AI tools everywhere and you're wondering where to start, Creatify's AdFlow Copilot is honestly the best entry point right now. You just describe the ad, it proposes a creative direction. You approve it, it builds the whole pipeline. Then you work with it from there. No guessing, no rebuilding from scratch, just structured, iterative ad creation. I'll leave a link down below where you can go ahead and get started with some free credits from Creatify. And if you want to go deeper into advanced AdFlow workflows, we can get into that in the next video. But for now, just start with one ad. Describe what you want. See what Copilot builds and go from there. Once that clicks, everything else gets easier. But other than that, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss another video. And other than that, I'll see you here in the next video.